If you're wanting to have a career in machining, this is probably the place for you. I'm Benjamin Campbell. I'm wanting to come out of here with a machining job. I'll be in the industry for about 5 to 10 years, and then I will come out and hopefully have my own shop.
Entry-level machinist is the main thing we will put you out to do. Once you get out there, you can be a machinist, you can be a programmer, you can be an inspector, you can run a shop. I mean, the sky's your limit.
You know, I thought it was a good place to be. I like the equipment and the opportunities here. That's really why I came here. It's hands-on and I love it.
We start them off at first learning the safety. Safety is utmost and foremost important. Once we get the safety done, then we come out in the shop and we start off on manual machines running lathes and mills. And then we'll learn the CNC, we'll learn programming, manual programming, move on into CAD/CAM programming.
I'm Vladimir Barksdale. I go to Strother Public Schools and I'm a second year here at Gordon Cooper. I really enjoyed the manual milling and lathing, but my favorite part has been coding. As aggravating as it can be, it's definitely been very fun. We'll say it's a fresh week. I'll get started on coding some programs, then I'll come out here and I'll use one of our back machines to automatically square up a block depending on the size of the block. And then if I have my program done in time, I'll be able to run the program.
We are a very good school, very good program, very lucrative program for your future. You can get out here debt-free, go straight to work and make a good living.
I'm Charles Holly. I am from New Lima Public Schools. I think it's important to, one, learn a trade. And for me, I've always been more of a physical labor type guy rather than in a classroom. I would say chase it because it's going to be well worth it, whether you choose it as a career path or not. It's always good to have that trait.
To learn more about Gordon Cooper Technology Center, visit gctech.edu.